Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Merlin Del Rosario, the Wandering Broker, and we are here in La Vista Monte Phase 2 because we are showing you a house and lot that we are selling. Alright, this is a 267 square meters in lot area with 100 square meters floor area. So let's go ahead and check it out. And wait, there's more. This sale includes the car and the carport. So let's go. So welcome to this 6-year-old house here in La Vista Monte. This house comes with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a carport. And this, like I said earlier, this sale comes with these plans, 90% of the things inside the house, and a car for you to drive. This house is very well maintained by the owners, Mr. and Mrs. O'Brain. So as you can see, it doesn't really look like a 6-year-old house. You would have this receiving area over here. So let's go ahead and check out what's inside. There's a very good space for your living area. And here's your little dining area. You can actually change the furniture if you want to. This is the first bedroom, which is actually converted to a pantry, but this is a bedroom. Here's the master's bedroom. It comes with a toilet and bath. Here's the second bedroom. If you want to check this unit for you to appreciate, you can always give me a call at 0922-642-9782.